My big change is to keep my room clean.
My little change is to try and watch The Walking Dead. I don't know why, but everybody's watching it. And my big change is to try and open up a game shop in Bridgend.
My big change is to play less football, and my small change is to change the bricks on my wall.
My small change is to watch more of The Walking Dead.
Big change is to go out more, and my little change is to decorate my room.
Sometimes I wonder why I don't pick myself up, dust myself down. I'm just doing what I always done. Everybody's had their say on what I should be doing, where I should be going. I'm stepping out my comfort zone.
Quiet in the studio, roll camera.
Right, it is rolling.
Mr. Vincent's change, take 2.
Action.
My small change is to protect woodlands and forests in the rest of the world.
Rolling.
Girls' change, take 4.
Action.
My small change is to drink less coffee because I don't think it really isn't very good for me.
My small change is to try and keep my bedroom tidy, which will please my wife. Girls' change, take 5.
Action.
My big change would be to help the homeless. I have done a few charity walks and fun runs in the past, but I'd really like to take that a bit further and do some, maybe sleep out on the streets in the night and just raise some cash.
My big change would be to make cities more bike friendly. I believe this will make better and more positive impacts on the environment, and it will enable families to take their children into the hearts of British cities so they can see great cultural and historical things and also get great exercise at the same time.
Could you hold up the sign a little bit more? Rolling.
Quiet in the studio, roll camera.
Rolling.
Take 1.
Action.
Hello, my name's Mrs Ridow. I'm head teacher at Ysgol Bryn, Castell in Bridgend. My little change would be to have more time so that I can spend it in the classroom with my pupils, more time to spend with my children at home, and more time to do some sleeping, if I'm entirely honest, because I'm a very busy, probably too busy, head teacher and person. And the big change that I would like to make is to have peace and love. Peace and love, not just for me and my family and the pupils in my school, but for the whole world. Thank you.
And my small change is to exercise more.
My big change is to give our young people the best opportunity to fulfill their potential in life after they've left our school.
In my experience, change is tough, but I still have hope. I gotta have hope. But this school is changing me. I work hard to change my life, as often as my age, my height. This is scary, walking into the dark. So here I go. Still have hope, looking at the photo frames. It's great to see how far I've come already. But now I'm gonna make a change for myself. Filming it for the screen, or I could kick the ball for a living. The story's not gonna write itself. I need to get my head down and unlock the gift that keeps on giving. So here I go.
See you later.
Now I'm gonna make a change for myself.
The black diamond represents the coal mining industry that was in this borough years ago, not necessarily there now. But the motto of the county is onward with confidence, which is quite apt because that's what we should do in everything we do. Onward with confidence to say, do you know what? We have the ability to change the world, so let's go and do it and have the confidence to do that. Now,
Right, vote now.
3, 2, 1, press. Right, Kev, do you want to switch on the camera? See who's the quickest?
Hello.
So, you were the quickest. Well done. Next.
Oh, God.
Keep going, Kev. Scroll through them.
Julian! Sarah! Josh.
Okay.
Rolling.
Hugh David, small change, take one.
Action.
I spend far too much time in meetings, too much time answering emails and talking to people. I need to spend more time doing exercise so I get healthier and fitter.
My little change is to take more exercise. I spend far too much time sitting in meetings, in front of my computer, or sitting in the House of Commons taking part in debates. At the end of the day, I'm exhausted, but it's all mental exhaustion. I need more fresh air, more exercise, and getting out into the sunshine and getting some vitamin D.
No, take.
Action.
And my big change will be I want everyone in Bridgend, County Borough, to be fitter and healthier and lead a more active lifestyle.
So the big change I want to bring about is to use less plastic so that there's less plastic in our seas and less plastic going into landfill.
Something that I'd like to change on a national UK-wide basis around this is the support that young people get when working and dealing with social media. I really think it's a massive issue for young people's mental health, how they feel about themselves, and the support that they need in working and living with social media is really, really important, and how social media companies actually help young people to make sure they use social media safely. So that's what I want to see change during the course of my time, or one of the things I'd like to see changed actually in the course of my time as your MP. Thanks very much.
So here I go. Change for myself. Now I'm gonna make a change for myself.